At least not broken.
Sprain? Is that what he thinks?
Yeah.
And the result is...
It's broken!
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the...
He got so scared. A roof! A roof for our house! A roof for our house! You got to the left, left. Watch out, watch out. Oh, Jesus Christ, dude! Take it. Take it.
Oh, I'm dead?
Right behind you, boss.
Where's it coming?
Oh.
Jelly bars.
Medic! Where you at?
I'm gonna move you off to the side.
Ah! Dude, no one's going right side.
You just throw it again to scare him. Scream grenade, you just throw it.
Round one. Huh? Fight.
I mean, I'm totally down to go in there. But I got into the first building over there.
I never go in the back door.
What's that?
I never go in the back. I always go straight that way.
Hey, yo.
They're gonna be sitting over there.
They're gonna be in the kill house.
The back door is the back side's always tight. It's always tight on that side.
Where?
On the back. The back door is always tight.
Hey, boys. Is my camo
Oh,
good enough?
You okay, buddy?
Yes, you are.
I was at the bottom of the stairs where I shot both of you.
No, you can't see me from the bottom of those stairs. You're even shorter than I am, and I couldn't see myself from the bottom of those stairs.
Dude,
I
I can
was
see you.
like this, bro.
I can see you.
Go back to the bottom of the stairs.
Okay, let me go walk back there for you.
Those stairs. All the way down.
Hello, Bozo.
I can see you right there.
Angle, you shot me right here in the street.
Yeah, look.
You're even shorter than I am, and I couldn't see myself from the bottom of those stairs.
Dude.
Surrender! Hey, what's up, guys? It's Scares.
My shit's dead. Watch. Watch.
Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass, the sun is still out.
You broke the glass in my reflex.
We do not care.
This is where I wanted to be. This is where I wanted to be, a bukkake.
What?
Jesus Christ.
Guys. Yeah, we're on the same team. Yeah, we're all on the same team. My bad.
What are you doing, step bro?
They learned the art of 1,000 jerkless nights.
What you do is flexing hard. He's pounding his chest like King Kong.
Mike! You got this! You got this!
And his name is John C.
One eternity later.
Does Captain America go? Can we get him up there? He's been pounding his chest for 2 rounds.
Hey, yo! Yeah, they've been pounding us. Oh, man, that's the end of it? I was ready for the ultimate showdown.
Oh God, that's so sad. I'm already walking. I didn't hit you at all?
Right past me, bro.
Okay. That didn't hit you?
No, sorry.
Okay.
Wait a damn minute.
Wow. I know. That's exactly how I feel.
Few moments later.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.